Welcome back, foodies. You might feel that pigs in a blanket are a been there, done that kind of snack. So today, I'm going to show you how to up your appetizer game with puff pastry sausage cozies, made right in your convection steam oven. This recipe will have you and your fellow snackers pigging out. So let me show you the way, and let's get started. Okay, foodies, to make our tasty sausage cozies, all you'll need is your preferred fully cooked sausage. This is what I'll be using today. 1 sheet of puff pastry, and finally, a sheet of parchment paper on a cookie sheet. That's all. Next, you'll want to take 1 sheet of the puff pastry and bring it to room temperature and just spread it out evenly on a piece of parchment paper so it doesn't stick to your countertop. And next, we are going to cut this puff pastry into 6 even rectangles. Now, you'll clearly see that I have cut the puff pastry into 6 even rectangles. I used a pizza cutter to do this. I just cut down naturally the 2 creased lines in the puff pastry and then came right down the middle to make 6 squares. Now we're going to take 3 of our fully cooked sausages and cut them each right down the middle to make 6 pieces of sausage. 1 piece of sausage for each of our puff pastry squares. Now that we have each of our sausages matched with a rectangle of puff pastry, we are now ready to roll these into sausage cozies. As you'll see here, each of our sausage cozies are neatly rolled and secured. Now, you do not, let me stress, you do not need to coat these sausage cozies with egg wash, butter, or oil. Save those calories. You will load these sausage cozies into your convection steam oven just as is. It is the amazing technology of your convection steam oven that is going to have your sausage cozies coming out perfectly brown, crispy, and flaky. You'll see, trust me. You'll load your sausage cozies on the cookie sheet on the wire rack on level 2. You'll set your convection steam oven to the auto steam bake mode, 440 degrees for 23 minutes. And you know the drill. Your convection steam oven will let you know when your fantastic sausage cozies are ready to enjoy. Our sausage cozies are done. Let's open up the CSO and see what's inside. Wow, foodies, look at those tasty treats. How perfect. And let me remind you, we did not use any egg wash, no butter, no oil. Absolute perfection. Let's get these tasty treats plated. Sausage cozies are a perfect, comforting treat anytime. They go well with mustard sauce, barbecue sauce, ketchup, and even a creamy pesto sauce. Enjoy! Sausage cozies are that perfect anytime snack. I hope you enjoyed today's culinary adventure, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.